let me show you how to get these big, gorgeous blonde curls. So this is the Latisha wig. Everybody knows her. That's why I did not go through the whole process of the install, because everybody knows this wig. I have her in the color Flamboyage Sand, and she's this pretty I don't know, like a dirty blonde with 613 highlights. This is how she looks, just how she is. She's gorgeous, but I need more volume, so we're going to add some layers, and I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to walk you through the steps to add layers. So I want the bangs to be there, but like long bangs, and I just love how once you cut it, they already got the hair curled, and you know with synthetic, it has curl memory. So however it's curled, that's how it's gonna stay. Okay, so now I am basically cutting layers based on the length of those bangs. So I'm just cutting down at an angle, and look at that, like just gorgeous 70s type of hair. And we're going to keep length on this one because I reviewed the Latisha wig before, and I believe it was in the color too, and I basically just cut it short. I like it long. I like it big and beautiful and long. So we're just going to go ahead and continue down the length of the front, adding angled cuts to create these beautiful layers. So after we do that, after we are finished in the front, we're going to head to the back. You can do it all the way around. I just did it to the sides and left the back pretty much still the same length, but we're going to pull the hair, each like section it off, like skinny sections, and at an angle cut down. I don't want to go too far up, or if I need to, I'll do that later. But we're basically, doing that because the hair is curled already, it just creates the more volume to the hair, basically. So we're going to do that. I finished the right side, so this is compared to the left, and we're going to go ahead. I already did the front cuts, so now I'm going to the side and adding more volume to this wig because we want big hair. We want big as Farrah Fawcett hair, big as 70s type of curls, and that's exactly what it's giving. This is the final result, and I am absolutely in love. Like, I need 10 Latisha wigs stat. Like, when I first reviewed her, I was like, yo, this is cool, but I wasn't head over heels. Like, everybody was head over heels with this. Look at this. And it's even bigger and more beautiful with a side part. Y'all know I'm going to have this link for you on this video. Just click the icon and follow the steps that I gave you to create big, beautiful, voluminous hair. It is sold on the TikTok shop by Sam's Beauty, and you can purchase yours. Y'all got to get this blonde color. I'm so glad I picked this color. I need some more colors. But yeah, I'm feeling this wig. I'm posing in it, taking pictures because it got me feeling like that girl. Get you one too.